Hi guys, let's unbox with me with this Elyzza extremely fluffy volume eyelash extensions. When the package arrived, here's what you typically find with the Elyzza lash extension sets. I love that they have included this small manual. It shows the correct steps for trimming, gluing, and placing the lashes, perfect for the beginners. Inside the box, a tray or strip of lashes, and for this I think it is 12 to 16 mm in length. Possibly it has also some tools depending on the set, and for this it has a tweezers and it also has a lash glue. For events, photos, or stepping up your lash game, then this one is, I believe it's worth buying. If you plan to wear them often all day or regularly, I suggest testing one set first and see how comfortable they feel and how well they hold up. Then decide if you want to invest in multiple styles. If you want a full tutorial, comment below.